What is holding this girl now, eh? For the past 1 hour. Solo?
What are you doing here, sis?
Solo?
Do you know since when you left the palace? The king has been looking for even the prince. Thinking you put yourself in trouble.
Solo, go back to the palace.
What are you doing
back
here?
to
Dick, what are you doing here? Let me know what to
tell
them.
the king and the prince, you did not see me. Go back to the palace.
What are you doing here? Tell me now, let me know. Dick,
Go back. I'm waiting for my national cake.
Okay. Wait, you're waiting for your national cake? We both planned the deal.
After you have your own, come on. Go back.
Be fast, I'm going, oh. Dick, I'm suspecting you. Dick.
Don't worry, I will explain. Go.
Dick, I'm suspecting you.
Go back.
Okay.
DK, good afternoon.
Hi, Stella, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hi, Marachanwa. What kept you so long?
I was doing something for my mom.
Yeah, Marachanwa.
I love to be you.
I called you. There's something I want us to discuss.
What is it?
Stella, I know you want to have the prince.
Ah! My prince. Yes, now. Hey.
It's your prince.
My prince, oh.
But Stella, you have to do something.
What?
You have to scratch my back, and then I will scratch your back. You know I'm in a position to help you.
Are you serious?
Ha! 100%. I'm just giving you my word. Okay? You don't have to cry for anything.
Thank you.
But you must have to help yourself.
Oh.
Stella, what I'm saying is that if you allow me to have this national cake just for you, you have the place.
Hey! Abomination. Have what? DK, please look at me. Have what? Eh?
What is wrong?
Your prince's national cake. You want to have what? Your prince's national cake. You want me to offer it to you? No, DK, look at me. Wait. I should offer you what?
Stella, what are you talking about? Why are you shouting? Just one drop of your national cake. Then you will have the prince. All these maidens want to have this prince you are talking about. And I'm in a position to help them. Anyway, I see you are not serious.
DK now. DK. DK. It's not like that. It's not like that. See, I will do that. Yeah.
You see now?
No. Sit down.
So when?
You know, I was actually doing something when the message came. So I'll go and finish up with what I'm doing, you understand? Yeah. So I will think about that and I will get back to you.
Okay. But delay is very dangerous.
I know. Yeah.
The earlier you comply, it's more better for us.
I know.
Okay?
I will do that. I know. I will be going now, okay?
No problem. Oh, yeah, now. Hey! 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 Hey!
God, why me? I'm all alone in this wicked world now. My parents who were supposed to give me money are both dead. Now for me to raise money and buy costume for myself, I have to go and beg a man for money. Now who knows what he may demand from me? God, please, I really need to participate in this contest. I want to be the prince's wife. Dead. Why did you take my good parents away from me? Why? Why? Elijah, I'm good at this.
Yeah, how are you, baby?
I'm fine, sir.
Alright.
I said she was your house, but I didn't see her.
Okay. So, is anything the problem?
Just come to beg you for something. My friend Amanda told me that you give her some money.
Yeah, I did.
So that's why I come to see if you will give me some.
Hope she told you what she did. Alright. Okay. She gave me that thing and I gave her the money. She gave me a penny and I gave her the money.
I think. What thing?
I slept with her.
Eh? Ha. Yeah, I can't do that too.
Why?
I can't sleep with you. I can't do it.
You're doing like as if you're a baby. Come on. Use what you have and get what you need.
I can't do it. I can't sleep with you.
You can sleep with me. It means you don't need the money.
So you can't give somebody money without sleeping with you?
Give you money. I am not a Father Christmas sister. So, if you're
Okay,
not
John,
ready to- yeah?
let's call it again. Please, I can't do it.
You can't do it.
Yeah, alright.
Okay.
Hey.
But it's better, I advise you. Use what you have to get what you need. Huh?
Hey, Oga John, Amanda. So this is what she did, eh? Hey, Betsy. Oh, myself, it seems I will do it too because this competition, please, I need to participate. I'll do it even though it's once. Let me just try it. I'll do it. I'll just do it. Maybe this will be my opportunity. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Hey! Come here. See, don't give him that thing, oh. That thing, if you give him, give me my own. Yeah, don't give him, oh. I don't tell you, if you give him, you give me my own, oh.
Hello, Amanda. Like, seriously, how are you preparing for this competition?
I'm very prepared. Over prepared to go.
I'm serious.
Yeah.
What do you have to show for it?
You want me to show you?
Huh?
I'm very serious.
Are you serious? Yeah. Okay. Let me see now.
Let me show you. No?
Are you serious? And you think that this will actually entice the prince?
Why not? It's real.
Really?
Real.
I beg, faithfully. See, my mom and my sisters, they have actually been teaching me a lot. Let me show you one. Just one step will kill everything. Actually, my mom says when you stand, you actually make him see everything. I'm coming for you. Yeah, you're actually the place right now, so keep a close watch.
Babe, because you done, my friend. For your mind. See, I'm going to be the king of that. I'm going to be my personal leader.
You're going to be the queen?
Yes.
Alright, no problem. You know what? I love this kind of your dream. Stay there. In fact, remain there. don't come back. When you might have wake up, I might actually have had like 3 issues for the prince.
Why do you
Useless. What? Sweetheart, I have to actually go, okay? I want to go and make food for my mom.
Okay, let me go to them.
Yeah. Sexy Lola to be. Jesus! Oh my God! Hey, for my back, my mate. Linda, baby. Linda.
Look at you, you're looking good.
Thank you, my dear.
And look at your hair.
It's good. It's good. Yeah, I'm actually coming from Amanda's house. We are preparing for the competition.
Yes, I remember.
Really? So have you gotten your costume?
From where? Well, you know that my parents are dead now, so who will give it to me?
Okay. Don't worry, you get it.
Stella, please, will you help me?
Help, okay. Help.
You know, he's my mom. You will get your costume. Oh.
You know that I would love to go there, but
don't worry, you get your costume. Oh. You will go there. Oh, you will go there. You will definitely go there. Oh, don't worry, you get your costume. Oh, Linda, you will get it. Oh, I have to go now. I want to go and make food for my mom. Oh, Linda, baby, don't worry, you will get your costume. I believe you get it. Oh.
I love that.
give me my money. Have me where? In this bush. Don't you have one?
I enjoy it most in this bush. Your money?
My money?
I will do everything for you. Just have your money. Inside the house, nothing.
Give me money.
You're so sweet. I love that. Bye-bye.
Hey, please, Jesus. Hey, please.
I told you to not give him. You have given him. You must give me my own.
Give what?
Today.
I don't give anybody anything. Please, no, forgive me.
I told you to not give him. That is.
Please, no.
You must give me my own today.
Hey, please, somebody help me.
Somebody help me.